I think one of the most important lessons you could ever learn is how to swing. Now, jazz players tend to do this over time. It seeps into their consciousness and their soul, and eventually it just swings. But in the beginning, it's not that easy to do. So what I would suggest is that you follow along with the exercise that we're going to do today. It's an exercise for the left hand that I've put together for the tune Like Someone in Love. It's a jazz standard that pretty much all jazz players know, so it's a really good place to start. So we're going to scroll down to the A section where I start the exercise with the left hand. And what you're going to notice is that the left hand comps on the and of 2 and the and of 4. Now this happens throughout the entire exercise. Now you really wouldn't play on the and of 2 and the and of 4 all the time. You might play it in time with the rhythm of the melody or the rhythm of the solo that you're playing. But what I want you to understand is that as an exercise, it's a good place for swing to start. The other thing that I should point out is that when you play on the and of 2, it actually represents the next chord, and the and of 4, the next chord. So you're always a half a beat ahead of the next chord. If I'm going to play an E flat major 7th chord at the beginning, there's actually an 8th note before that on the E flat. So let's start at letter A, and I've actually written out the left hand comping for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3. So this chord here is playing a G7 chord. So this 8th note beforehand is playing an E flat major 7th chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1. And then it's C minor 7, and 3, 4. So the exercise you want to play is either with a metronome or a backing track, which I would suggest highly that you do this. In fact, you could actually check out the Quartet app. I'm going to put a link to a video up here in the corner where you can get backing tracks for tunes like this. It's called Quartet. A lot of people like it. I've done a review on it. So check that link out when you have a chance. So the other thing you can do with this exercise, obviously, is play some right hand soloing while keeping that left hand going. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'll notice that I don't always hit it on the and of 2 and the and of 4, but most of the time. So it makes a great exercise. So I'm going to play the recording that I did a little bit earlier. Check out the left hand because it's playing these 8th notes, what we call 8th note comping. And like I said, it's not always on the and of 2 and the and of 4, but mostly it is. So check it out. It's really important to open your ears and just focus on that left hand. All right, I hope you got to focus in on the left hand there. Let's put a link to the sheet music up here in the corner. It's to download the complete Like Someone in Love left hand comping exercise. It's also, of course, important to learn the voicings, but that's not what we really wanted to focus on in this video. We wanted to focus on the left hand rhythm to help you with your swing feel. And I'd really appreciate a thumbs up on the video and make a comment, because comments, I like to answer questions and they really help the channel if you put a comment. So please do that. I'm also going to throw up a link to another video which is all about jazz chords that hypnotize listeners. I think you're going to love this one. You can check that out right here.